As we've been reporting, Pfizer will ask the FDA to approve a new vaccine that's designed to protect infants from the seasonal virus RSV. Here to answer your questions is Dr. Todd Ellerin, Chief of Infectious Diseases at South Shore Health. Good to see you, Doctor.
Hey, Dr. T, great to see you. All right, here's question one. There's a lot of interest right now in this vaccine, not just from parents, but from overwhelmed pediatricians as well. A lot of them are telling us that they have never seen so many cases of RSV at once. So if this vaccine is approved, who could get it?
Eddie, we have been in pursuit of an RSV vaccine for over 50 years. It didn't start off pretty. There were some failed vaccines. There was some more side effects with the initial ones that were studied in the 1960s, completely different vaccines. Then a brilliant discovery 10 years ago by the NIH showed that the F protein, the fusion protein of RSV, which is similar to the spike protein, they figured out a way to stabilize it and get an immune response. And now, today we hear about a safe and effective RSV vaccine that was given to about 7,400 pregnant women. It's not to protect the pregnant woman, but it's for the antibodies that's generated to pass into the infants. They're the ones that are the most vulnerable with RSV. And what the study showed was that there was an 80% reduction in severe RSV disease in the first 3 months of the baby's life, and it fell to about 70% from 3 to 6 months. But that is really important because we are overwhelmed right now with RSV leading to increased hospitalizations in our pediatric emergency departments. So this is very important. This is and we're seeing this with multiple companies that are going to be coming up with these vaccines.
Dr. Pfizer said today, though, it ended the clinical trial early, they say, because the results are so promising. Do you agree with that?
I do, Maria. And what's really important is we're not just hearing about efficacy of the RSV vaccine in these infants, but recently over the summer, there were studies that show effective RSV vaccines in the elderly as well. So when you have these studies that you're finding effectiveness in different age populations, you really want to believe it. And they look safe, they look effective. Again, if you have a vaccine that's decreasing severe RSV by up to 80%, it makes sense that the study monitors would want to stop this study, and we want to get this into our arms. Remember, this will not be ready for prime time this year. The hope is that it will be ready by next fall.
So Dr. T, you just mentioned it in that answer there, but as you know, RSV infections are also dangerous for people 65 or older. Perhaps most of the people watching don't know that. So how soon could we have a vaccine available for that age group?
Good question.
Right. So we're hearing from the companies that they are going to present to the FDA likely before the end of the year. But most likely the FDA and the CDC won't make deliberations until next year. Remember, RSV is seasonal. So right now we're in the middle, fall into winter, and then hopefully that abates, and hopefully we'll have these vaccines by next year. And this is a huge emotional support for parents and moms of these young kids. RSV can cause severe asthma exacerbations. It can cause pneumonia. It can do things like influenza and COVID do, but it can be even more sinister in these very young babies and infants that have premature lungs, heart disease, asthma. Even some people think that RSV may be one of the causes for asthma later on in life.
Really?
So if we can prevent this or decrease severity, it's a big deal.
Dr. Todd Ellerin, thanks so much for your time. Be well, doctor.
Take care, Dr. T.
And to our viewers, if you have any health-related questions that you would like our experts to answer, email them to ask@wcvb.com.